Hi, I'm Greg Sherry, founder of Adjustagrill, and we make quality outdoor camping products. We designed the portable campfire pit to be commercial quality and to be used by outfitters. It allows you to build safe fires, elevated off the ground, and it will not scorch the soil. It is more environmentally friendly, and it meets all the requirements of the Forest Service for building safe fires. It is so easy to use, you can set it up in your backyard or you can take it with you down the Grand Canyon. We got the fire pan sitting on some 12 by 12 ceramic tiles to protect the wood deck below, and that's about all you need on a wood deck like this. It is designed with an L-shaped solid frame and a floor that floats on it. And the reason for that is expansion and contraction. It keeps it from warping from the heat, and it also allows the water to drain out. So if you're in the wilderness during a rainstorm, it will not puddle up, it will drain the water, and you will be able to stay warm around the fire. What I love about the fire pan is it's lightweight, it folds up flat, and packs up nice and neat. And the way the grilling surface sears and flame broils at the same time, everything tastes great on the Adjustagrill.